Part 18 of the Tips for Teachers series, publishing assignments, discussions, quizzes, etc. In this video, we will go over publishing assignments, discussions, and quizzes in Canvas. Publishing means the difference between visibility and invisibility to students. When any item or course is unpublished, students do not have access. From the dashboard, select the course you are trying to edit. From the home page, select Modules. In the modules, scroll to an assignment. The method of publishing in the module list is the same, no matter the type of item. Across from the title, you will see a circle that is either green with a check mark inside or a circle with a slash through it. Select the circle and slash if you want to publish the item, and the green circle and check mark to make the item invisible to students. Alternatively, select the type of item from the navigation column, whether it's an assignment, quiz, or discussion. Scroll the list for the item you wish to edit. Across from the title, there will be a symbol with either a green coloration and a check mark, or a circle with a slash through it. Select the circle and slash if you want to publish the item, and the green circle and check mark to make the item invisible to students. Here's another method. Select the assignment, quiz, or discussion. Once on the next page, look to the row with the title. Across from the title will be a button that says Publish with the struck through circle. Select this button to publish. The button will change to a green color. If you select Edit next to the Publish button, then you will be taken to the editor. In the editing page, you may publish by selecting Save and Publish at the bottom of the page. The option will not be available with published assignments.